Good morning, students. Let's begin our English class. We have done lots of revision now. So, we are ready to take a new topic. Okay? As we have learned two-letter words very nicely, today we will take three-letter words with vowel sounds. Okay? Basically, three-letter words are made through CVC pattern. Now, what is CVC pattern? Let's understand. C means consonant, V means vowels, and again C means consonant. So, CVC means consonant, vowel, consonant. You remember now vowels are five special letters: A, E, I, O, U. And all the remaining letters are called consonants. Now let's take an example. B, A, T. Bat. Consonant, vowel, consonant. B, at, bat. CVC pattern में so many words, but they have their own family like an, a, and adverb family. So let's learn at and adverb families. Okay, come. Let's learn adverb family. B at bat. K at cat. H at hat. M at mat. R at rat. Now, egg word family. B egg bag. R egg rag. T egg tag. W egg wag. Let's practice. Here we will write egg family words and here we will write egg family words. Okay? First, B at bat. K at cat. F at fat. H at hat. M at mat. R at rat. This is adverb families. Next, egg family words. B egg bag. R egg rag. S egg sag. T egg tag. W egg wag. Now you have to open the page number 16 of your book and read the at and egg family words and also trace, read and color this bat with a bag. Okay. I hope you all have understood CBC pattern. Now learn the at and adverb family after doing in notebook. We will meet with a new topic in our next class. Till then, stay healthy, keep learning. Bye.